And now this is part 2, just ignore me, this is part 2 of the day. Yeah, obviously they're a bit of a shoddy, messed up video, but it's fine. So, I realised why my arm was hurt is because I went to the gym and I did like a chest arm workout, I just hurt my shoulders. That's why that's hurting. We've got some more bits to do today. I'm going to be recording content in a minute. We've just set up this like little pallet. I'm going to show you actually because it looks good. It's like this little pallet semicircle of lost luggage, which I'm going to be going through. So got that set up there with the desk. I'm going to do the unboxings there, light there, computer there. And it just looks a little bit better with the pallets there, I think. And then we got the nice lighting here, which would be quite nice on my face. We've just had 3 more pallets of clothes come in. So we're going to get those all done. These are the mystery box videos. They need to be done, moved over there. And then Chloe's been live streaming today as well. And all of her stuff's kind of over here. We need to get this sorted out as well. But yeah, lots to do. And then get all that done. I'm not sure what the evening holds. Go to the gym. I've got quite a lot to do. I'm not sure in which order I'm going to do it. Still waiting on eBay Live to get back to me. It's been 2 weeks. Well, actually, since discussions, it's been since December. It's killing me off. I actually made it to the gym, which is good. I'm literally gonna do like 20 minutes in the gym. And, oh no, water. Shit. No. Hang on. Oh, I need a water bottle. This is no good. This is terrible. Hang on, nearly there. Right. Sweet. Right, yeah. So, it's gonna do like a quick 20 minutes in the gym. And then, yeah, going out for dinner. So, yeah. Into the gym. The angles on that was absolutely terrible. I apologise. Into the gym and then all done. I've got this stupid Christmas tree in the back of my car because Lily took it down and now I've got to take it back to the warehouse because it doesn't fit anywhere in the flat apparently. So there we go. Big Christmas tree in the back of the car that I've got to take all the way back. I forgot to do, obviously, classic me, forgot to do recording because obviously it's not a priority because I'm so fucking busy all the time. And I forgot to finish last night's vlog, so I'm finishing it now, and then I'm going to start today's vlog when I go to the gym. So I'm going to the gym now with the Christmas tree, then I'm going to go to the warehouse. I've got shitloads of stuff to do. I'm just getting a bit tired with the amount of stuff that I've got to do. Getting a bit tired about the amount of stuff on my plate. It's just demoralising. It feels a bit demoralising at the moment. I'm trying to hire someone to be a social media manager because I find most of my time is taken up by uploading, scheduling, editing, planning, brainstorming, thinking of new video ideas, and then distributing that across all the content platforms, which doesn't leave me much headspace for any business activities, which is obviously vitally important. And with the new live streaming that we're going to do on eBay Live, I'm gonna have even less brain space to be able to complete those things. And I've already noticed the social media side of things going down quite rapidly because of my lack of focus. The problem is the warehouse is in the middle of nowhere and I can't seem to get any suitable applicants for the role, and I'm not really sure what to do because I'm currently like paying for job posts. But it doesn't seem to be working. I don't know. I think it's because the warehouse is in the middle of nowhere, but like obviously if I lived near London or something, I'm sure I'd have loads of them. But because it's in the middle of nowhere, and I just keep getting like university students that are just fresh out of uni and know absolutely nothing, haven't had any experience, and I can't trust someone with my entire career that doesn't have any experience. I just can't do it. But then I also can't afford to pay someone that's on like 50 grand a year, obviously, because I don't earn that much. So it's like a lose-lose situation really at the moment. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments and I'd really appreciate it. That'll do.